Hi, date 2nd of August 2024. Time is this. Today we are going to start React Router, day 113. Day 113. A new topic we are going to see, React Router. What's that? React Router. So whenever we go to the React website, react.dev, if I click on the learn, if you see, something gets loaded and just URL gets changed, /learn. It is happening. If I click on this tutorial tic-tac-toe, can you see whole thing remains same, just this much content gets changed and the URL of this gets changed. If I say thinking in React, can you see React dev /learn thinking in React. So URL to the component mapping is called as router. URL to what? Component mapping is called as router. URL to component mapping. Can you see npm create with@latest? Name of your project -- template React. Then npm install React Router DOM. It's a third-party library. Remember that. This is the third-party library. Okay. Now what to do? Let's try it. First, create a new project. Desktop. CD. Merge stack. Day 113. NVM use 18 and npm just copy this, npm create with@latest, hit the enter. Router app, and we are using it for React, hit the enter. JavaScript, then cd router app. Then we need to install React Router DOM. Can you see this? React Router DOM. It's a third-party library. This is not official React one. This is third-party library. So we have installed it. So we have installed the router library. Adding the router to the React project. First thing to do is a browser router, because we are going to use the app in the browser. So we need the browser router. It's easy. If you see, let's go here. Let's remove, these are needed things, but just to keep everything clean, I am removing everything. Okay, just app. And here also there is nothing. React DOM client, and we have used the app. Just remove the app from here as well. Now first we need to import the router. So first we need to import these two things. Import from React Router DOM. See here, we are creating the routes. Okay, React Router DOM, and if you see here, const router, multiple routes. This is an array. Here we have passed an array. Here we pass an array, and into that array we pass the route objects. Route object is nothing but path to component mapping. Here you can write app component, and here we need router provider, and then router is equals to this router reference we need to write here. So you will go on creating the components and you will map it. So here if I say forward slash, if it is a forward slash car, then element, we can write the element h1, this is car. If forward slash mobile, this is mobile. So this is absolutely important. React Router DOM. Now let's run the project. Npm run dev localhost 5173 forward slash, or here you can say forward slash car, this is the car, forward slash mobile, this is the mobile. And now in an app component there is a nothing. Here we can say h1, this is app component. Now if you remove this, can you see this is app component, forward slash car is this, forward slash mobile, it is this. Okay, simple router setup. Now mobile is there. Now if you look at this, if you click on this, if I click over here, URL gets changed and only this much portion is getting changed. If you click over here, I'm clicking over here. If you look, URL is getting changed and only this much portion is getting changed. In this case, you can consider this is a left menu. This is what? The left menu. Here you can create few buttons. Say, here we can say hyperlinks, anchors, href, and here I can say forward slash car, In a div, we can write it. In another div, we can write it mobile. Just go to the root. If you click on the car is getting created. If you click on mobile, here / mobile. So what you will write over here, / this URL. If you provide this URL, if you write this URL in the browser, this element or the component would be getting loaded, this component. So you can create a separate component for this. You can create a separate file, and into that you can create this as a separate component. That is also okay, no problem. Like this, here I can say new file mobile.jsx and export function mobile, return. Here we can say h1. This is mobile, and in here, instead of writing this thing, we can write mobile. That is also okay. If you click on mobile, it is going to the mobile. Correct? So here we can give a reference of home also. Anchor. Href double dot means home. Go back, go to the mobile and click on the home. Can you see, you will come to the app thing. Click on the home. Correct? Any question?
No, sir. It is like a nesting.
So it's not like a nesting right now. If you see, if you hit / this element would be getting loaded. / car, straight away this element would be getting loaded. / mobile, this element would be getting loaded. So you can't call this thing as exactly you can't call this exactly as a nesting. Any questions?
Sir, the React router, when we use the third library,
When we use what?
this third library,
No, I'm not getting your question.
this React router third library, when we use,
Okay. So look at our project. So look at our project. Project billing counter management. So whenever this is the login, so whenever you enter the details, you will come to the dashboard. Now look at this. Bill customers analytics. If you click on the bill, a bill page should be loaded. Router. If you click on the customer page should be getting loaded. If you click on the analytics page should be getting loaded. Router. Right? So whole this area will remain as it is. Only this much part would be getting changed. Only. So this will remain as it is, this will remain as it is. You didn't made it in a DOM project. Correct? That was not possible. It was possible, but hardly. You need to write a lot of lines of code. Getting my point? So you can do without a router also, but that would require a lot of efforts, and so we would be using this thing. Correct?
yes,
Router. Now one more thing, if you go to the project and if you click over here, actually your page is getting refreshed. Open the network tab and see whole page is getting refreshed in this case. And why page is getting refreshed? Because of this anchor tags. So router says that don't use anchor. I'm going to give you something alternative to the this is nothing but what? Link. URL params, okay. Nested routes we will see. There is something called as link. Yeah, link from the React router DOM. Just this import statement. Link. Here you can say to what? /car. You can comment this out. Here also you can comment link. We can say car. We can say mobile. Go home. Can you see now there is no page refresh? Look at the inspector. But whenever you go to the mobile and you click on the home, there is a page refresh. Why? Because in the mobile also you have used the anchor. So instead using anchor, what we need, instead using anchor, we need link. Link to dot dot, and here we can say home. Go to the mobile. Now see, there is no page refresh. Home. Look at the URL section, it is getting changed. Car, it is getting changed. Go back, mobile. There is no page refresh. Done?
Yes.
Any question?
Yes.
If you have understood this much, we can stop here, because there are other things available in the router that also I can cover now. A child route, we will see later on. Okay. Fine. Let's meet on Monday. I will update things about Monday if I'm available.
Sure.
If I'm available, we'll definitely have the session.
Okay. So please upload the HTTP communication video.
Yeah. So what I will do, I need to make a lot of things for that. I will upload it. Otherwise, I will share just normal links. Thank you.